Hello, welcome to Chibi Fire Alarm Test 11. So I got the pole station is the making its debut is the couch Chevron. I have the Simplex TrueAlert Speaker strobe, second generation, and the Simplex TrueAlert 49069137. So I'm using the computer power supply because it puts out filtered DC, whereas my railroad transformer puts out full wave rectified, also called full, also and more commonly referred to as FWR type DC, which is bad for many simplex devices, especially the ones made since the mid 1990s. Very vile towards those devices. So by using this power supply, it gives the True Alerts filtered DC. Anyways, put this down. Sorry, I wasn't able to show the reset because it's pretty hard to reset with one hand, the Chevron pole station. So, and I also got the synchronization module for the Simplex TrueAlert because that's a smart sync device. This, however, the strobe is selectable for either free run or smart sync. So, anyways, thank you for watching.